Never thought I'd find it here with you, but in your arms I found my place, a perfect home, a sweet embrace. And every heartbeat, every touch tells.
You see how evil people just bring it out. Please don't leave. I'm just wishing I had done red to chuck it inside their arm, pepper them.
Summer wind blowing, feeling alive. Sunshine in my eyes will thrive. Dancing on the sand, waves crash at our feet. Heat on our skin, summer's beat. Surfboards in our hands, we ride the tide. Underneath the palm trees, we feel alive. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable. No need to.
Hi guys, how you doing? So I just got back from the salon and I just wanted you guys to have a first-hand look of what my hair looks like and my nails. I decided to, I'm a red person. I'm always doing like red nails, so today I decided to go with something different, so I chose nude. This is what it looks like, and just a little bit of design. Last minute I just decided to fix my lashes. It's just straight, so they just fix it on with glue. I normally don't like it because I won't be able to wash my face properly, but let me see how I do with this one. I'm already feeling myself, like since I don't really do makeup before going out, I feel like this I'm already well put together.
Lover with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Every day is shining bright.
Oh my goodness, this girl is getting on my last nerve. This is how many hours since we got back. I haven't even had time to even remove my earring, talk less of remove my clothes. She wants to sleep, gave her a bath, fed her. This is about 3 hours since we came back, but she has been in my hand. I can't do anything. Nana, we are going to bed now. I'm tired.
In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining shining bright.
See how soundly this girl is sleeping this morning. You will not believe how she has been disturbing me. We disturbed throughout the night. See how soundly she's sleeping. I just feel like pulling her nose and waking her up too. Come on, get up. Now that I can have time for her. She wants to sleep. In the night when I need to sleep, she wake up. These children,